If you're still using one of these manual irrigation controllers, you're missing out on some really cool features that will not only save you time, but save your water bill. Keep watching because I'm going to show you how you can swap out your manual controller for one of these Wi-Fi controllers, and I'll also tell you about all the benefits that this simple upgrade will provide. So in case you're wondering if this is something you can do yourself, the answer is yes. And know that installing an irrigation controller only takes about 15 minutes. I spent more time mounting it to the wall than I did connecting all the zone wires. When I bought my house, it came with an irrigation system and an old Rainbird manual controller. These controllers work, but they can be a real pain in the butt to set up, and they lack all the features compared to the new Wi-Fi controllers on the market. I took the plunge years ago to the Orbit Beehive controller, which was a total game changer for how I manage my irrigation system. Recently, I was approached by IMOLAZA to create a video review for their Master ET series. So I'm going to demonstrate installing their controller for this video. And I'm also going to do it at my neighbor's home because he still has a manual controller. So let's get started on removing the old and installing the new. First things first, let's take a look at what comes in the box of this IMOLAZA irrigation controller. This is the Master ET series, and it's available in lots of different options with different zones. IMOLAZA provides lots of paperwork and documentation to help you get this thing started and set up and walk you through all the options. The controller itself is nice and small and very clean looking. The cover is simply held on with magnets. Under the controller is the power cord you'll need, as well as screws and anchors to mount it, and they even provide you with a small screwdriver in order to make all the connections to the zones. The first thing you should do is unplug the power cord for your old controller. The next thing you should do, if possible, is take a photo of the existing wiring connections. This will help you to identify all the different zones in the new controller. IMOLAZA actually gives you stickers to identify your zones with numbers. Now you can start disconnecting all the zones as well as any other wires like rain sensors. Then just simply remove the old controller from the wall. There are different options with this controller that vary in price depending on how many zones you have. They even offer an outdoor enclosure in case you need to install yours outside. Install of the new controller is the same in reverse. IMOLAZA gives you a nice template in order to install anchors in drywall if that's the way you have to mount it. Then you simply just connect your zones the same way they were connected in your old controller, matching up all the colors to the different numbered zones. Connect the power and plug it into the wall. You should see the controller light up like this. But you're not done, and this is where the fun begins. Your new controller will give you a link to download an app on your phone. Because this thing is completely controlled from an app on your phone instead of having to play with a bunch of buttons and dials on the controller itself. Your controller will need to be connected to your Wi-Fi, so make sure you have all that information handy. These apps are very user-friendly and will walk you through the entire setup process. You have to create an account and then go through it step by step, identifying your system, where you're located, all the different zones, and how you want to water your lawn. IMOLAZA gives you the options to identify each zone with photographs of each zone, naming of each zone, and identifying what each zone is, whether it's a lawn or a shrub bed or flowers or even a garden. Once you have everything set up and the zones are loaded in, you can start making schedules, or you can let the IMOLAZA determine your watering needs for you. This video is not going to talk to you about how to water your lawn, but this video right here that I did a while back will tell you how to water your lawn properly. These awesome Wi-Fi controllers give you the capability of connecting to local weather stations so that you can use rain delays automatically. There is nothing worse than seeing an irrigation system running while it's raining outside. And being able to create a custom schedule is really great because you can water each zone individually based on its needs. You can even water each zone multiple times during the day. And this is great for when you're trying to start a new lawn because you want to keep all those seedlings really wet all day long. And because these controllers are Wi-Fi and app controlled, you can monitor them anywhere you are, whether you're at work or if you're on vacation. There's no need to worry about your irrigation system running wild without having any knowledge of what's going on. All the activity that happens with your system is logged on the IMOLAZA app. One of my favorite features of a Wi-Fi irrigation controller is the ability to walk around the yard and turn on each zone with your phone instead of running back and forth to the main controller. This is perfect for making adjustments to heads and even blowing out your system in the fall. If you have an irrigation system in a really nice lawn, then having a Wi-Fi controller like the Master ET from IMOLAZA with all these capabilities seems like a no-brainer to me. I have links below if you want to get one for yourself. I hope this video gave you some knowledge and inspiration to do this for yourself. Feel free to comment below and go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like my video.